Good
Mhm.
good afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. You tell, how are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing absolutely fine, and thank you so much for asking.
Okay. So before we dive into the conversation, may I know something about you?
Yes, sure. As you know, my name is Sumit, and my roots are in Haryana, but presently I'm living in Rajasthan. I'm a teacher, so because of my job, I live here. And if I talk about my family, then I'm a mother of two kids. And if I talk about my qualifications, then I have done my master degree in English literature and history as well, and BA too. So this is all about me.
Okay. So do you have your government job?
Yes, I have government job. Yes.
Okay. So I think you're
So
pretty much confident, like, you are secured. Your future is secured, what I feel, because there's no security in private jobs.
yes, now it's secured. Actually, earlier I was doing a job in a private school, but it's been 4 years. Now I go to selection here, so now everything is hunky dory now. Okay,
Okay.
Vibha. So I don't know anything about you except your name. So can you tell me about you something more?
Yes, yes. So my name is Vibha. I live in Haridabad. I live in Faridabad. It's in Haryana. You must be aware because as you told, your roots are in Haryana. But I'm born and brought up in Delhi.
Mhm.
I have done nursery teacher training
Okay.
in B.Ed, and after doing job for a few years, now I'm running my channel by the name of Vibrant English Learning, where I used to post content related to English grammar. But now I'm totally
Mm-hmm.
focused on my communication skills. So just to improve
Mm-hmm.
myself in my speaking skills, I have started posting and conversing with people in alternate days. So yes,
Mm-hmm.
that's how I'm just fulfilling my passion because speaking good has been my passion since my teaching days. Yes.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Yes, I can totally resonate with you. It was my passion also that time when I was teaching in a private school, but I didn't get time to learn this language that time. And now I have means got this job and I have little bit free time for myself. So I want to invest this time on my English learning journey. Yes.
Yes, I just want to know, like, you have done job in private sector also, and now you are in government job. So, what difference do you find in both sectors related to teaching or students or, your personality? What do you feel that, where can you groom your personality and where do you find yourself comfortable in private sector or government sector, according to your experience?
Yes, according to my experience, nowadays there is no comfort anywhere because in private sector we have to stay on our toes all the time. And now, if I talk about now government sector, so here also we are overloaded with work. So there is lots of work. Even I get hardly a single minute during lunch break. So this is the way because there is a shortage of teachers. We are only five staff members and there are 11 posts. So six posts are vacant. So we are always busy with the lots of stuff. Sometimes with midday meal, sometimes we have to serve them our students milk and other works also there. Nowadays, I would say not a government job is easy and not private. Both are same. And if we want to upgrade ourselves, so we can upgrade. It's totally up to us. Means sector doesn't matter. Like in which sector you are doing job. If you are doing job in private sector, there also you will get the chance to upgrade yourself. And now, as if I talk about my government sector, so here it's totally up to us how we are spending our free time, how we are spending our spare time. Like nowadays, after coming home, so I'm free, so I'm working on my communication skill. So it's totally depend on person to person, not on the sectors in which sector you are doing job.
Yes, yes.
As
I
my
think
opinion. Yes.
yes.
Mm-hmm.
because my father was in defense. He was also in government job. So earlier, we can say in earlier times, we had so much of comfort in government jobs. But in today's time,
Mm-hmm.
we cannot think that, we have so much of relief in government job. It's only,
No, no.
we have relief only in this regard that our job is secured. Like in private sector,
Yes.
you can be fired at any time without any reason
Yeah.
sometimes. Only we have relief in
Yes.
this regard. That's it.
Yes, and nothing is secured nowadays because if there is any something wrong, so anyone can be fired from government job also. But a little bit security we can say, because if we are in private sector, so every year we have to face interview, then we have to change school. Now I'm doing job in this school, then I look up for another school, but these type of difficulties we are not facing nowadays, but we have to put our heart and soul. We can't say that we are going there and we are sitting. No, government doesn't allow us to
Hmm.
sit.
Yes.
We
I
are
think it
always busy.
Yes, I
Hmm.
think it is good for children also. Who cannot afford to go in private schools. So I think they should get all basic facilities and good education in government sector also. Because being
Yes,
poor,
yes.
there is no fault of them. They should have equal right to get good education. And we as a teacher,
Yes.
should have the responsibility to give our 100% so that, they can avail the
Mm-hmm.
opportunity of having good education. And regarding private
Mm-hmm.
sector, we always try to groom our personality, like in terms of
Mm-hmm.
English communication. And you can say we every time, because there is no safety in private sector, so we every time feel that we have to move, we have to make a jump every year. So in this way, every year we try to change our job for growth. But in
Mm-hmm.
government sector,
Mm-hmm.
government jobs, we think like we have to fulfill our duty, whatever we are getting, and we do it with whole heart. So little differences there,
Mm-hmm.
but if it comes to student, I think as a teacher, we all are
Mm-hmm.
doing our best. And it becomes our,
Mm-hmm.
soul, it becomes our responsibility because the parents who are sending their children to us, so with whole
Yes.
faith, they are sending their students. So I think it is our total responsibility to give our 100% and impart knowledge which we have.
Yes, Vibha, you are absolutely right. And I'm very hardworking. And whatever I know, I impart with my student. I never sit like I will not tell them anything. Whatever I know, I always pour my heart in front of them, whatever I know. Yes.
Yes.
So, and for the sake of my students nowadays, I'm learning this language. Earlier, it was my dream, but as I told you, I got selected as an English teacher. So now it's my need to work on my communication skills so that I can provide them that kind of environment which I couldn't get. So that's why I'm learning this language nowadays. That's why I'm grooming my personality nowadays. Yeah.
Yes, yes, because in private sector,
Yes.
if
So.
employers get some good teachers, so I think they do not take a second to replace to replace their present recent employee with the good teacher which they have hired. So your job is seriously not
Mhm.
secured in today's time. So I think, yes,
Mhm.
it's up to our hard work, how much we are improving our skills, how much we are improving ourselves, in which profession
Mhm.
we are doing. So I think every time
Mhm.
we should work hard to groom our personality, to improve ourselves.
Mhm.
So I think it will help us,
Yes.
in our career.
In our future, yeah, like now I have got government job, so it's totally up to me. I want to grow more or not. No one is forcing me. Then Sumit ma'am, you have to speak in English. My
Mm-hmm.
school is Hindi medium, so no one is forcing me. No one is saying to me, not saying to me. If I speak, so sometimes they laugh at me. Okay, so this kind of environment is there, but I know what is good for me. I think, ma'am, if we have free time, so we should invest our time in ourselves, and later on it can become part of our earning, or like a personality development program like this. So we should invest our time ourselves. Hmm.
Yes, because after so long, I have met a teacher who's in government sector and who is so passionate to enhance her speaking skills. After so long, that's
Um,
why I'm very much fascinated by you, the way you are striving to improve yourself. It's
and
commendable.
thank you so much, Vibha. You know, I got my job after 20 years of my marriage. So, can you imagine how much I struggled? So now I am thinking my hard work is paying me off, and things are falling into places. Whatever I wanted, I got that job, and now I can work on my communication skills as well. I have free time for myself.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
Mhm.
Because I have also done job along with so much of workload. At the same time, you have to, improve yourself every time if you are in private sector. Because whether you have to communicate with teachers, your colleagues, your parents, your children parents, and whether principal, you are not
Mhm.
expected, because it's
Mhm.
somewhere your impression comes down, because in
Yeah,
schools you are demanded to speak in this language only, because they
yeah,
have to put their school they have to keep their school on a good prestige. So for that they try to hire only those teachers, even for the smallest post, who manage well in this language. So I think your degrees come later on. If you are good at
yeah.
this, they always give you preference. So that's
Yes,
what I have observed.
communication skills comes first, and degrees comes later. And 6 years I taught in APS, so I can totally resonate with your thought process. So there also I started working on myself, but that time I thought English is not my cup of tea, because I have done my education in Hindi medium. So that time I thought I should go for government job exams. So I started preparing for those exams, and by the grace of God, I selected. And now I thought, yeah, now I can work on my English as well. Hmm. Okay, Vibha. So, how long have you been learning this language? Actually, you are speaking very fluently. So, I want to
Thank
know
you.
about that. Mm-hmm.
It's been, you can say, it's been 2 years since I opened my channel, and you can take one more year. Like, but I got serious only after coming into my journey, because after that I got committed that I have to improve from what may. Before that,
Mm-hmm.
also I was communicating with my kids. I was restricted talking with my kids only. So I think this way
Mm-hmm.
I was talking on and off. But mainly I improved myself after coming into this journey. Because when you get connected with something, then you feel like to improve yourself every time. So yes, after that.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So you can say it's been
Mm-hmm.
2 years.
Okay, and I started my English spoken journey last year in 2025. So it's been over a year now, and I am
Yes.
completely enjoying my journey. But conversation videos recently I started. It's almost 9-10 sessions I have taken so far. But earlier I was recording myself, and I was making short videos. Most of the videos I recorded short videos, because short videos take less time. And after my school, I'm completely exhausted. I don't want to record any session, but somehow I am pushing myself that I have to show up myself for myself. Yeah.
Yes, yes. I think
Okay.
you have got your dream job, which you had been wanting
Yeah.
for so many years. So I think now you are ready to
Yeah. Yeah.
invest time for on yourself, you know, to groom yourself.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
I at home I want to means invest that time on myself, and when I am at my workplace, that time whatever I have, whatever energy I have, I invest all that energy on my students. Means I think now universe has given me whatever I wanted, so now it's my turn to return something to this universe. So I have this kind of mindset nowadays.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. For which we are
Mhm.
striving for so many years. And once we get that, so we start paying so much of
Mhm.
gratitude. We think that, yes, God
Yes.
listened to us and we are so much fortunate. So we become very much grounded.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm truly grateful to God, and always every morning when I wake up and when I leave for my school, so that time I always thankful to God. So God, please give me that power and energy so that I can teach my students very well, and whatever I didn't get since my childhood. So I want to provide them all that kind of environment. So this is my mindset nowadays.
Yes, definitely. If you will improve yourself, definitely they will learn something from you. Because anybody can, because there are so many subjects and study material on YouTube. So children can get that also from those channels. But if you improve yourself, if you get some extra skills in yourself, you can definitely impart those skills in children also. So for that, you need to every time work on yourself so that you impart the same, you pass on the same skills on your students. So for this, you need to work hard on yourself. And that's what I think you are doing.
Yes, and for them, I am doing. Actually, when I joined 4 years back, that time I was not able to utter a single phrase in English. And nowadays, I am using lots of phrases, short phrases with them, like open the window, close the window, take out your notebook, take out your. Yeah, this is how, yeah, I am giving them natural environment so that they can be familiar with this language.
Yes, and children are
Yes.
very much sharp-minded. They catch things very rapidly at
Very.
this age. So, in which language do you speak slowly and steadily? They will also start understanding you. And one day will come,
Yeah,
they will also start communicating with you in
yeah,
English.
yeah. When I reach at my school, so they ask me, "How are you, ma'am?" Always they ask me. Then I say, "Yeah." I told them because I asked them, "How are you?" So same that they repeat, "How are you, ma'am?" So this
Yes.
is how they are also learning this language. Yeah, and it's a good thing. We should work on ourselves and our students as well. Hmm.
Yes, and somewhere in a bit to teach our students, somewhere we improve ourselves also. If we have to teach something extra,
Yeah.
definitely we start working on it and we are also improving ourselves in this way. So I think it's good in both ways.
Yes. Yeah, it's a win-win situation for them and for us as well.
Yes.
We improve a lot. After starting teaching, I have improved a lot. When I joined like APSC 10 years back, that time I started from scratch, from zero. I didn't have the experience of teaching, but now it's the 11th year is going on. So I'm quite comfortable and I know how to teach my students. I know each and everything. Yes, Vibha. So, you have twin daughters. I think
Yes,
I
yes, yes.
watched your video. How
Yes,
old
I
are
have.
they?
They are 13,
Okay, so maybe in eighth class they
ninth,
are
ninth, ninth.
nowadays. Okay, they
They are
are
in
in
ninth
ninth
class.
class.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so yeah, you are creating English environment at your home.
Yes, that
Means
is
you
very
are speaking
necessary, I
with
feel.
them.
Yes, that is very necessary because they
So
are
they are
my greatest
getting.
support.
Mhm. Yeah, our kids are always the greatest sport, and my kids also. They also have grown up nowadays. They both have completed their 12th. Means they both are boys, so they always support me, Mama. You can do this thing, do that thing. So they always help me in editing my videos because I'm not a tech savvy person. So whenever I get stuck, so they help me a lot and they support me as well. Yeah,
Yes,
and
because
kids support.
mm,
Mhm. Mhm.
We can means you cannot get that kind of support from everyone. Only you can have that
Mhm.
much of right on your children that whenever you
Mhm.
feel angry, you pour out, your frustration, your anger, whatever you are feeling. Only children are there to support you in this way also. And you can expect the
Mhm.
same thing. So, like many times when I
Mhm.
feel like that, I need to converse. So I start conversing with them on anything, like what happened in the school, what you did with your friends and all. And many times while
Mhm.
conversing with them, I get stuck. They give me whole
Mhm.
time. Like if I,
Mhm.
converse with anyone else, they might not give me
Mhm.
that much of time to think, but they are
Mhm.
always there. Take your time. And many
Mhm.
times they get frustrated also. If you are not
Mhm.
getting words, then come in Hindi. No, why are you
Mhm.
forcing
Mhm.
yourself too much? So I think with them,
Mhm.
I am improving myself a lot. So I feel like that,
Mhm.
yes, whether I converse with anyone or not, but I make sure that I converse with my children daily.
And this is how they are getting a natural environment, and you are also revising your stuff. So it's helping all of you.
Yes, and
Yes.
and many times they come up with so many new words, and they speak very advanced sentence, and they just take me aback whenever whenever I hear some kind of new sentence from them, and I wonder how come you speak this one sentence I had never spoken. So I think it's all the impact of the environment at home and in school, which we do not come to know, but a child is gaining from the environment.
Yeah, and this is how they are learning naturally, and they are not putting extra effort. Like we are from, I think you are also from Hindi background.
I studied in Kendriya Vidyalaya. Subjects were in English, but at that time we had no environment of English in schools in earlier times. Now the environment
Okay.
has changed totally, but in earlier times you do not expect of so much of English speaking skills spoken by teachers and all.
Nowadays they are getting each and everything. In most of the private schools, teachers speak in English. So it means schools are providing that kind of environment. Like students can enhance their spoken English easily, है ना, without lots of efforts. But if we talk about ourselves, then we have to put lots of effort. It's not an easy task. Every day we have to show up, and in the beginning days, so these those days were very hard. How many hours we had to spend on this language, but now after some time we become habitual to speaking every day, so then it's a bit easy. I can say.
Yes, you are right.
Yes.
Initial days are very hard.
Mhm.
Initially, we feel like that
Mhm.
it's really not our cup of tea, so we just quit. We feel like this
Mhm.
initially because whenever we try to speak, we couldn't speak, and we feel like we are
Mhm.
not able to speak, so let's leave. But the person who
Mhm.
still sticks to it, I think he wins.
Mhm.
So
Yes.
that's the story of learning each and every skill.
And only few people can stick to this. Otherwise, most of the people they like work for 1 month, then 2 months. After that, they think, "Now we are not improving, so it's not our cup of tea. Let's leave it and let's do another thing." But
Yes.
those who are very dedicated and very passionate, so only they can learn, whether it's English or any other language. Yeah.
Yes, because it is happening till now. Whenever we try to speak out of the box, or we try to speak
Mm-hmm.
on a concept on which we had never confronted, we get stuck
Mm-hmm.
just because
Mm-hmm.
it's not our language, it's the second language.
Yes.
So every time we
Yes.
need to try on something else so as to find ourselves
Mm-hmm.
where we are, getting stuck and fumbling, and how to work on ourselves and how to improve ourselves. So I think this
Mm-hmm.
process will never end. How much you can go
Yeah.
deep into it, you will find more and more problems. And every time, if
Mm-hmm.
you are dedicated, you will not think of leaving it. You will try to overcome it every time, and you will become more confident and more fluent with time.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely right. And the more we speak, the more we will be fluent in this language. There is no magical pill or magic is there that can make us fluent in this language. Only speaking, listening, reading, writing. So if we are following all these skills, then we can get the hang of it, this language. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. So, are you into reading, or which kind of like strategies you are following to enhance your spoken English? Listening, or speaking, or writing or reading as well?
I try to read only storybooks issued by my children from school, from library. Apart from that,
Mm-hmm.
I read Sudha Murthy storybooks also. I don't go for very hi-fi books because I lose my interest in reading. Moreover,
Mm-hmm.
I just because of my little health issues, I could not find much time for myself, and reading requires proper time. And within short
Mm-hmm.
time, I have to manage everything because I give
Mm-hmm.
most of the time to my health because I need to proper
Mm-hmm.
rest also. I can't compensate, I can't compromise with my health. So I do not have
Mm-hmm.
much time to give to my English
Mm-hmm.
practice. So whatever time I have, I try to work on speaking. How much can I speak?
Mm-hmm.
So yes,
Mm-hmm.
I do listen.
Mm-hmm.
I do listen English conversation, English podcast. But yes, whenever I get extra time, I do reading also. But reading comes later on because I feel like I
Mm-hmm.
need to spare more time for reading. But I make sure that I do speaking practice daily. That I do not leave at
Mm-hmm.
all.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely right. And I'm also following like listening and speaking. These two skills are working for me. Reading is not helping me. I have been reading books. It's been 30 days. Sorry, 30 years. It's been 30 years I have been reading, but reading didn't help me. Now only listening and speaking. These two skills are helping me. Actually, I think it's depend person to person in which thing you are getting interest. If we are
Mhm,
getting interest in reading, so reading will help us. If we are not taking interest in reading, then listening and speaking can help us.
mhm,
Yeah.
mhm. Yes, like you're saying,
Mm-hmm.
you have been into a habit of reading books for so long, but I think you have started practicing speaking English for few years. So I think reading
Last
helps us
year,
in last year.
last year
Yes.
I started speaking. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So I think
Mm-hmm.
reading helps in improving our speaking skills only when we are practicing our speaking practice also. Reading only helps
Mm-hmm.
in the way that we know the pattern of sentences, how to, use those
Mm-hmm.
words in a
Mm-hmm.
particular sentence and how to improve our vocabulary. This helps us in
Mm-hmm.
this way. But for
Mm-hmm.
us, we feel like first we should get a hold on our fluency on our basic sentences. Like we should not get stuck while
Mm-hmm.
expressing ourselves. Once we get that hold
Mm-hmm.
properly, so after that, we should think of moving on advanced level sentences. And then reading books helps us a lot. So for that reason,
Yeah.
whenever I get spare time, I do read because everything has its
Mm-hmm.
own importance. But yes,
Mm-hmm.
being busy, like you have your job, so you cannot spare time for each and every activity. So I think for us,
Mm-hmm.
it is very necessary to
Mm-hmm.
give due importance mainly to speaking practice.
You are right, Vibha. And it's been almost 10 days. I couldn't connect with anyone. Actually, my apps were not working, and two times our session also cancelled. So I was thinking like I forgot English when there was a 10 days break, because earlier I was busy in Independence Day celebration. Then I visited Kumbhalgarh Fort, that is in Rajasthan, with my staff members. So I took break 3 4 days. But yesterday I had a conversation with one person, and now today again. So now I am coming back on this track.
Yes.
Yes, if we live 1 2 days, then it's okay. But if we are living like if we are taking a 10 days break, so that is not okay. That time we think now we forgot each and everything.
Yes, but
Yes.
you prove that thing wrong, no? Just after 10 days, even you are speaking with confidence and fluency. So I
Thank
think,
you so
our
much.
it keeps running into our mind. What if we will
Mm.
miss out or we
Yeah.
will start getting stuck? Because our mind every time get into that practice, which we were doing
Mm.
it daily. So I think it becomes our
Mhm.
habit, even if we miss out one
Mhm.
single day. It happens with everyone, I think. So, don't you have any staff member or colleague with whom you practice in school? Any of your friend
No,
who
no,
is equally
no.
passionate like you?
No one is passionate to learn this language in nearby me. Everyone like if and now I'm living in Rajasthan, so everyone is speaking in Rajasthani, sometimes say in Hindi, sometimes in Marwari, and with my staff members I speak in Hindi. No one is speaking with me in English. Hardly a single word we use there in school. But I am creating this English environment with my students, so that I can revise my stuff and at the same time they can also take help from this. And Vibha, how many sessions have you taken so far?
I have taken approximate 100 sessions.
Oh, wow, that's great. That's why you are speaking very well and you are very confident. When I
Yes.
watched your video, I don't know with whom I watched your video. So that time you were speaking very well, and that time I thought I should message you. And that time you were mentioned. You mentioned there you are from Faridabad, Haryana, so I felt deep connection with you. Yeah,
Yes,
and
yes.
that's why I
You
messaged
know,
you that I
thank
think.
you very much
Mhm,
for connecting me and reaching me out. And you
mhm,
know what happens whenever we watch anyone's video, we always feel
mhm,
like, wow, that person is speaking so good. And at that time, we forget our potential. We also speak
mhm,
very good, but when we hear this, English from other people, so we feel like that
mhm,
person is speaking better than us. So it's not like this. All
mhm,
are on all we all are on same page. We all are struggling, trying to improve each and
yeah.
every day, every minute. It's just that
Mhm,
dedication and passion towards our journey, nothing
mhm,
else. Means
mhm,
you showed
mhm.
you have started your journey only from last year, and see, like you do not have any environment in school, and still you are speaking
No.
so good within 1 year.
Means earlier I was recording myself only. I have taken only 9-10 sessions with the other person, like conversation. I have done only 9-10 sessions. When I was taking my first session that time, oh my God, there were butterflies in my stomach. How I was fumbling that time. 3-4 sessions, I was forgetting words. I was not getting correct words, but now like now I'm sitting in front of you, so I'm very comfortable. I'm sitting very comfortably. I'm not giving pressure too much to my mind. I think it's means all about of practice. If we are practicing every day, and practice makes a man perfect, right?
Yes, yes. I think you just overcome your feeling of fear and hesitation in few sessions, but I think it took me a long. I think after taking a lot
Okay.
of sessions, then I remove my hesitation and fear. So that's why, every time I
Mm-hmm.
feel very happy with whosoever I connected with. I feel like I have achieved what I wanted to achieve. Every time I used to have that butterflies in my stomach while taking sessions. So I wanted to get rid of that. And I was not getting how to overcome it, how much I used to affirm and how much I used to, give myself positivity, but as soon as the session started, again that tingling sensation would start. So I just really wanted to get rid of it. And finally, you can say for the past 2, 3 months, I'm at total ease. Now I do not have any kind of nervousness or hesitation. I can talk freely.
Mm-hmm. Actually, earlier I used to think, now what if I make mistake? What
Hmm.
if I get stuck? So now I'm not thinking about that. It's a language, but what if we make mistake? It's okay. Mistakes are the part of learning. Mistakes are inevitable. Whatever we do new, so definitely mistakes are part of that thing. So nowadays I'm not getting bothered about all these things. If I'm not getting any word, then that time also it's okay. I can say another word, or I can say I didn't get this word. So this is how we can hold our conversation. Yes.
Yes, yes, seriously. I
Mm-hmm.
also made myself understand through this way so many times. But at the time of session, automatically these feelings would start coming up to me. and I was seriously not getting how to come out of
Mhm.
that. But thankfully, thanks to God, that now I have come out of my, hesitation zone, and I'm totally free. Whatever I want to speak, whatever I want to say,
Mhm.
I just convey my thoughts freely without any fear
Mhm.
inside me.
And once we are able to convey our thoughts with confidence, so it means automatically we are becoming fluent. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. But somewhere we
Okay.
still
So,
feel that, like you have just started your journey, but after reaching to a point, then we feel like that now we should change our strategy of speaking. Now we should talk on something different so that we just come to know our speaking skills and where we are landing up and where we have to work upon. So now, whenever I try to connect with someone, so I try to converse over some kind of topic so that I try to improve my knowledge. Along with that, I try to assess myself also that where I am finding difficulty. Like yesterday, I was talking with my children and I had to speak over some community like Rajasthanis, Biharis, Haryanvis. So I just because we do not use this word community. So I was not getting this word. Sometimes I was saying caste, region, religion, but I was not getting that word community. Every community has their own
yeah.
importance, and I forget that word. So until we converse on different topics, so we will not be able to either improve our vocabulary or speaking skills. So I think once we get comfortable speaking basic sentences, comfortable speaking on basic day-to-day routine conversation. So I think after that we should, switch to speaking on conversing on different topics and concepts. That's how we can
Okay.
improve ourselves.
Absolutely right, Vibha. And nowadays, recently I started na, so I am feeling I am doing something new because earlier I was recording short videos, and now this is a new thing for me. So first, I want to be comfortable with this language.
Yes,
Sometimes I
yes.
get stuck while speaking. So after 6 months, I can say, yeah, that time I should think about topics. But first,
Yes.
I should be comfortable with this language. Yeah.
Yes, and you got
Mhm.
comfortable so early within few sessions. Hats off to you. Seriously, I was standing nowhere
Thank you
and
so
I was
much.
taking only 6 to 10 sessions. 10 sessions were nothing. I was nowhere in 10 sessions. I have got this confidence after taking 100 sessions.
I
So
think because
everything
of my
happens in
job,
time. Yes, yes.
I think because of my job, I got this kind of confidence because every day at my school also, I have to meet new people. I have to interact with new people. So I think that things are also helping me. Every day I'm connecting with the new people and on digital era also like online platform. So that thing also helping me. Sometimes I think like that.
Yes, yes, you're
Yes.
very much right.
Mm-hmm.
Moving out of your house has a great influence on your, personality. You are no more feared
Mm-hmm.
person. Like you do not get scared of anything. But somewhere, if you are at home for so many years facing your health issues, so
Mm-hmm.
somewhere automatically you go into some kind of, negative zone. So that's what happening with
Mm-hmm.
me for the last few years.
Mm-hmm.
So yes, thankfully,
Mm-hmm.
thanks to this journey that I just